The easiest way to solve an equation like this is to multiply through by the lowest common denominator of each fraction present. Now we've got x plus 2 and x minus 3, so I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by x plus 2 times x minus 3. So as I've got a fraction, each of these fractions is the top of the fraction that is where I'm going to put the x plus 2 x minus 3. So my first fraction there becomes 3 lots of x plus 2 x minus 3, but that's over x plus 2. The second fraction becomes 4 times x plus 2 times x minus 3 over x minus 3. And the 2 on the right hand side is also going to be multiplied by x plus 2 x minus 3. The reason I've done that is obviously here the x plus 2's cancel, here the x minus 3's cancel. And so I'm left with 3 times x minus 3 plus 4 times x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 2 x minus 3. Got rid of the fractions in one step. Okay, removing brackets then. On the left hand side I've got 3x minus 9 plus 4x plus 8. And on the right hand side I don't do anything with the 2, but I remove the brackets here to make one big bracket. So x times x is x squared, so that's the first terms. The outer terms give me minus 3x, the inner terms plus 2x, and then 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. So simplifying the left hand side, I've got 3x plus 4x, which is 7x, minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1, and that is equal to, well, if I just simplify, I can put these two together as minus x. So we've got 2x squared, and then 2 times minus x, well that's minus 2x, 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. Now it's a quadratic equation, but I'm going to make one side equal to 0, so I'm going to make this side equal to 0, so I'm going to take away 7x from both sides, and I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So the right hand side, so the left hand side is now 0, the right hand side is 2x squared, minus 2x, take away 7x is minus 9x, minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11. Now, I know that I'm going to be able to factorise that because the question doesn't ask me to give numbers to a particular number of decimal places or significant figures. So I'm just going to go straight to the 2 brackets. Using the crisscross method, I look at the 2 first, so 2 numbers that multiply to make 2. Well, it's got to be 2 and 1. Then I look at the minus 11, so I want 2 numbers that multiply to make minus 11. Let's have minus 11 and 1. I'm now going to multiply, crisscross style. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times minus 11 is minus 11, and 2 take away 11 is minus 9. Now because that number, so right first time, because that number, the minus 9, is the same as this, it means that my 2 brackets must be 2x minus 11 in one of them, and the 1 and the 1 gives me x plus 1. Okay, just need to solve that now. So I know that either bracket could equal 0. So if 2x minus 11 equals 0, then 2x would be 11, and x would be 11 over 2, or you could write that as 5.5 or 5.5. From this bracket, if this bracket equals 0, then x would be minus 1. So I've got 2 solutions, x equals minus 1 or 5.5.